That was a pretty reckless move from the driver, and the rider wasn't about to let it
Ooh,
slide.
side of the vehicle. Good job. Look forward afterwards.
Slide.
Good job with the escape. So we're talking about the plan method, right? We're looking for these hazardous situations, assessing if they're relevant threats and navigating them. We're kind of putting ourselves in a weird position for safety because we're going in and out of traffic, but not a big deal. Didn't really slow down here, but we recognize there's a side of the vehicle. It's a pretty bad spot, so we're just going through our escape paths.
About to let it slide.
So good job with the escape path. Thankfully, that person did stop. You're a little bit too focused on the driver. Focus on what's in front because that's the big problem. I do like that camera angle. I need to find a way to attach my Insta360 to the bike like that, and then do smart rider. That's gonna hurt your hand. Smart rider drills and a lot of the ride along with DanDanTheFireman stuff. I'm gonna start riding a little bit more. It's starting to get a little nicer weather out. Enjoying a peaceful ride. Okay, here we go. When suddenly, oh geez, little schmeat car, swerve, 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 swerve. Ooh, good job with the swerve. Yeah. So that driver was speeding a little bit too much on that on-ramp. Okay, if it says that they're a learner, that's fine. So they sped a little bit too much. So think of yourself as a motorcycle rider going around a corner a little bit too fast. Guess what you're doing? You're getting shot out like that. So here, though, we're the motorcycle rider. We see this. They start to swerve out. So this is where we could do progressive braking. We can slow down enough to where this person's not going to be a problem. But we can slow down a little bit. If it still become a problem, we have to do something else. It's going to be that red stage. So we're going to have to swerve. So we're going to have to swerve a little bit. Hey, it's Missy. Sorry. How you doing? So nice little swerve. Good job. Freaky. Handled it, though. So think of it as like, yeah, you did a great job. You did a great job. Timpani heartbeats. Okay. Oh, what's that light? Oh, you guys know what the blinking green does and what that means? I know what blinking red is. Blinking red. I pretty much treat any blinking as a blinking red, which means it's just a four-way stop. Write in the comments if you know what a blinking green, but here we go. We have a line of sight issue, a left turner. Remember, we're coming up to intersections. That's going to be orange stage, right? It's going to be orange stage. We're prepped for anything. And when it comes to intersections, the biggest issue is going to be left turners. So left turners are going to be the issue. We have an issue with line of sight. Okay, let's go back just a little bit so you can see how we can't see that person. This is why I want you guys approaching intersections a little bit slower. Okay, so maybe roll off the throttle going through the intersections. You're going to get that engine braking going. And so you're going to get a little bit of weight on that front tire, just a little bit. That's going to help you when it comes to a swerve that's coming up or a braking that's coming up. Because when it comes to total stopping distance, perception, reaction, and braking distance, the moment you apply a little bit of braking, you're going to have better braking because of that weight transfer to the front. But you need to perceive and react in the first place. So we're coming up to an intersection. We start to perceive. There's the first part. We're going to react by rolling off the throttle just a little bit, kind of coasting through. Maybe just giving it a little bit less, go 5 miles an hour under. So that's perception, reaction. And now we're covering the brakes. Just in case something like this happens, we can apply the brakes. Or we can perceive, react. And then when it comes to this, and we need to, we can swerve. We already have weight transfer on that front tire for better swerving. So that's why I want you guys to understand the MTC awareness stages kind of going into these hazardous situations so that you're perceiving and reacting before you get into a hazardous spot. And if nothing happens, then you don't have to do the reaction part or the actual action of it, of braking or swerving or emergency acceleration. So he's braking. You notice how the front end right here dove down. So all we did was progressive braking right here, allow the vehicle to go through. And that's all you can do. It's scary. That's why you wear gear. Watch it. Got lucky. What do we got here? Oh, it's a kangaroo. It's a kangaroo or a wallaby. It's a little wallaby. Well, it's like, what is it, the Australian deer down there? It's basically it's Australian deer. I guess this happens all the time. Like we have deer, they have wallabies and kangaroos. All right, here we go.
This
Red.
was a problem from the start, so the rider should have been a bit more cautious around him. Let me know what do you think about what
It's from the land down under. Yeah. The cyclists, it's frustrating. It's like they want the same benefits of the road with none of the responsibilities. You know what I mean? So let's see what happens here. So I get the full lane. Where's your indicator?
Kidding me? What are you doing, dude?
Switching from Zins to the fully loaded Alpha. Some nootropic stuff.
These bikers, man. You don't know.
Yeah, I get it. Check on him. See if you can rescue. He's probably
You
hurt.
okay, dude? Dude, you can't come out like that.
Yeah.
You're right
Dude,
there
you
in the
can't
left
pass
lane.
me on the right.
Yeah, because you came out.
Can't pass me on the right going straight.
You came.
You cannot pass me on the right going
camera,
straight.
dude.
See, when you approach somebody like this,
Dude, you can't come out like that.
if you do that, automatically get them defensive. You know you're right, or you think you're right, right? That he's gonna have an opinion. Just ask if they're okay. That's it. Just ask if he's okay, and then kind of move on. Who cares?
You're right
Dude,
there
you
in the
can't
left
pass
You
lane.
me on the right.
don't need to be validated for your opinion.
Pass me on the right going straight.
You can't.
You cannot pass me on
Because
the
then
right.
this
Camera,
happens.
dude.
You got a camera.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, you can't pass me on the right going straight, man.
You
gotta go right. You gotta wait for me. You gotta wait for me. You gotta wait for me, man.
Dude.
You can't.
See, I just got done telling you guys, cyclists, they want the benefits of the road without the responsibility. Can't pass me on the right. It's a red light.
This cyclist was a problem from the
So I have to follow the road rules, but you don't have to. That's what's frustrating.
You gotta go right. You gotta wait for me.
You know what I mean?
You gotta wait for me, man.
Dude.
You can't.
Yeah, you can't turn right from the left lane. Let's see what that is. Let's go ahead and pick this apart a little bit. We're gonna have some fun here. Yeah, he switched to the left lane, right? You're in the left lane, buddy. You're in the left lane. Lucky Rider 117. If anything happens, dude, you got it. You got it. You got it made. You're done. You know, you're in the left lane. And you shifted right in front of him. I just kind of want to see what his explanation is.
In front of me.
Dude.
Welcome, Evan Wilson.
Faster than you.
Dude.
You came in front of me.
I was in this lane.
You cannot.
I don't really care anymore.
Behind me.
I don't really care anymore.
This guy's arguing with me about it.
You're completely wrong, man.
How am I
Pass them on the
wrong?
right.
I don't take him seriously. He's got a half helmet.
Idiot, I saw the whole thing right behind you.
Okay, go right ahead.
All right. I've been following behind this ambulance. Uh-oh. And they acted like they were going to keep going. Oh, no. You can't pedal back. Oh. It's hard to pedal back. This is why I like to park off to the sides right here, guys. Why I like to park off to the sides. This one might not be good. That one might not be good just because they're so far back. But I'd like to park off to the sides just in case. Just in case. And if I see somebody like way out in the intersection, I'm going to give them space. So they did good. Well, I would have stayed back there. It's so hard to pedal back. Got lucky. Hey, Fortunate Runs in the chat. Welcome. He's been a DDFM crew member for a long time. Let's see what happens here. Oh, he did say he hit some black ice. Did say it had some black ice.
God damn it.
Yeah, yeah. It looks a little cold out, a little foggy on the camera. That right foot. You did say you had a little soft tissue injury. You have a small limp right now. Just did some Smart Rider Games drills. You did the triple threat with that bike. So hopefully the bike is doing well. You know, you're doing a great job. So he hit some black ice. This is typically going to happen. So part of being a Smart Rider is acquiring and using personal protective equipment, just in case something does happen. You can tell there's snow. I mean, look at there's snow right there. Probably hit right here. This stuff. Yeah, it sucks. There's so much going on in your brain. Yeah, there it is. Yep, dump the bike. You see how the arm went down first and started sliding? That's why you have armor right here and armor on the shoulder. Boom. You're going to take the MSF course tomorrow. Have fun. I'm working on a new book to where it's going to bridge the gap between nothing to the MSF, or if you do well enough with the book, you're able to just take your endorsement. You can kind of skip the MSF, and it's a lot cheaper. But I'm working on that book right now. But we do have the Smart Rider Games. That's going to help you out. This is a big mob ride. We're going to go ahead and flip it. But the Smart Rider Games, this is the physical booklet right now. Lots of drills, lots of fun. Tell you how to actually do it, and it does come with the digital version of it. Goddamn. Comes with the digital version of it. So you might want to check it out. And also, if you click any of the QR codes or scan them in the book, it will take you to the actual video of me doing them. So try to beat my time.
In this situation, the rider was completely...
But we skipped that last video because it's a mob ride. We don't do that. Okay? So we actually practice our skills here. So go into the parking lot if you're a brand new rider, or if you've been doing it for a while. They're challenging, but it starts from absolute beginner all the way to hard. 15 plus drills. Have a lot of fun. It's going to take you to the next level. You're going to learn how to bond with your bike. I absolutely love it. Try to beat my time too, because all the times are in the videos. Let's take a look at this right here.
Completely helpless. After hitting a bump in the road, he immediately
Hitting a
lost
bump in the
control of
road?
his bike.
Yeah, there's a road surface hazard. Ooh, so he hit something. Let's see
Hitting a
what that
bump
looks
in the
like.
road, he immediately lost control of his bike.
Hit that. Ooh. This is why you wear gear, just in case. Looks like he's got full leathers. That's going to be really good. So the abrasion mitigation of that, the thermal transfer with leather is a lot less than textile. And he has a lot of impact protection. You notice how... Oh, he doesn't have all leathers, just the jacket and boots, but he seems to be fine. I do like that he's cognizant... Oh, look at the jacket. Maybe it wasn't leathers. That could have been your flesh. Yeah, nice. I was about to say that, Fluffy. Nice roll out of it. So when it comes to self-rescue, so he's right here in the middle of the lane, so ensure your own safety. I got to roll out of it. I got to get myself out of here. There you go. Get himself out of traffic. You have to take the MSF in Oregon. Well, at least the booklet will get you going, because there's not a lot of pre-class prep when it comes to the MSF. This right here, if you can do the easies, you're going to easily pass the MSF.
Sorry.
Hey, wee. Let's move on. We don't need the road rage stuff. Roadrunner Malta. We don't really care.
Solid white line.
So angry. David, how you doing? Oh, geez. Trying to make a delivery. Okay. Well, passing through side of the vehicle. Once again, intersections, watch out. Good job with the braking. We're going to go ahead and move on. Speeding up, it's going to cause some issues. Back. Ooh, we saw that a little while ago, didn't we? So we switched over from 2 different levels of asphalt. It's going to cause an issue. That's really what it was. So cross over it more straight. Oh. Got lucky on that one. Take these turns nice and easy, but got very lucky. Side of the vehicle. There's Go ahead and roll off the throttle. We're going to move over. Look forward, look forward. Okay, look forward. Okay, handled it. Watch out for other sides of the vehicles. Doing well. Ooh, going a little fast here. Going a little fast. I don't know what happened there. Benz decided to come in. Death's there.
It's behind me.
This is where you're talking on your Cardos. Go ahead and grab yourself a Cardo Pack Talk. You get 10% off in the link in the description. You can talk to each other. Like, hey, this guy's an idiot. Not much in this video. All right. Not much on that part. But thank you so much, MotoStars. Once again, guys, we do have the physical booklet coming in. Go ahead and practice all your drills. It has a QR code of how to do it. It does come with the digital version, so when you buy this, you'll get the digital version. There's also the digital version if you want to just get that. Put it on your handlebars, practice, practice, practice. Get better at what you're doing. But with that said, I hope you guys ride safe, be safe, grab a slice of pizza, and I'll see you on the next live stream.